Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video, we're working on this Volvo V40. It's the 1.6 diesel engine. And what we've got is the engine management light on. It loses power intermittently. In your case, it could be full power lost. Now, it's coming back with P011300, P010100, intake air temperature sensor 1, mass or volume airflow sensor, MAF sensor in other words. So, this could go back to a few things. The main thing it can cause, the main biggest issue on this when we get this fault code is to do with the MAF sensor. Now, before you order anything, before you change it, it's literally them two bolts. Take the MAF sensor out, clean it, obviously make sure there's power going to it, clean it with an electrical sprayer, and then put it back, and hopefully, you know, just do a full scan and clear and reset the adaptation of the MAF sensor. That'll work. If that doesn't work, obviously, what we do recommend is do a smoke test, see if there's any leaks. Obviously, I've already narrowed it down. I mean, look, this is fine. There's no leak anyway, but I know this could cause issues. So make sure that there is no leaks in the intercooler, within the turbo, the pipings, the manifold. If there is a leak, fix it, move on, don't dust it. In other words, you fix. But that fault code, reality is, them fault codes there, goes back to this sensor here. It's really easy. Get OEM original, and then just change it. There's nothing really needed in that sense, just to plug and play, in other words. But that's where it's located, right there, guys.